video. If you are new to my channel, my name is Angel, and today we're going to be making some chocolate edible slime, and this video was requested by one of my subscribers. So without further ado, let's get started. So the ingredients that you'll need to make this chocolate edible slime is olive oil, Nutella, cornstarch, 1 teaspoon, a spoon, and 1 cup. And the last thing that you'll need is marshmallows. And I already poured the marshmallows in the bowl, and that's the first step that you're supposed to do. And now you're gonna microwave it in the microwave for just only 30 to 45 seconds. That's it. So I'm gonna go do that and I'll be back. Okay guys, so now that I've melted my marshmallows, now we're gonna add 1 cup of Nutella. Nutella, fresh gold flare. We're just gonna use the spoon. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna put the Nutella, 1 cup of Nutella. So I'm gonna pour it in. And it's coming down. I'm not trying to make a mess. Just gonna put it in thick. Okay. 1 full cup. Okay. Dump it out or get the spoon. There we go. And now let's get the mix in. Ooh. It's quite a mixture. What a mixture. I think it's gonna be maybe like a light brown. Ooh, this is a workout. Okay. Mix it around. I'm working out. I'm gonna keep on mixing and mixing. It's almost good for me to start adding cornstarch, and that's gonna bring it together and form it into like a butter slime type. So guys, now I'm gonna add 3 teaspoons of olive oil. 1, 2, 3. And now we're gonna mix that in. Ooh. But it looks like it was forming when I added the olive oil. It just makes it, give it a little bit like a better texture and taste. So now we're gonna add some teaspoons of cornstarch, and I don't know how many, it depends on how much you're making. So yeah, we're just gonna get some, add that in for right now, and mix. I'm gonna take my scrunchie out because it might get messy, and I'm not willing to do that. But I think I'm gonna just move on to this. But before I do that, I'm going to add cornstarch on here so it won't stick to the platform or to my hands. We're gonna get a little messy here, but not on the table. Okay, that's good. Now we're just gonna spread it all around. It smells good. Get them both in my hands, so it'll stick to my hands. And now and make sure you wash your hands before this. But now let's grab it. Oh, that was great. Ooh, yes. And you're just gonna knead it until you like the texture that you want. But I'm trying to go for like a buttery, chocolatey, Nutella-y, marshmallowy, stretchy type of slime. So yeah, we're just gonna mix this up a little bit better. And we have a little bit more in the bowl. Oh girl. Okay. And we're gonna keep kneading and kneading. We're gonna add this to here because it might just help it a lot better right now. So we're gonna keep kneading and kneading until it's almost done, and it is almost done. Just gonna add more cornstarch. Just a little bit of marshmallow strips. That makes it look even more good. I'm a burrito. Nothing happened. Okay, it is basically done, but it doesn't really stretch, but that's okay because it could just be like a doughy type butters. But it's very big and I'm excited to taste it. It looks so good. It's like marshmallow s'more dough slime. Yeah, it's done. And I want to make something out of it to make it look good. So it's going to be very easy and quick. Like, very quick. So we're just going to do this. See, that part is already done. Already. We're going to cover it in cornstarch. Cover it in cornstarch. We're also going to do this part in the same exact way. All in cornstarch. All of it. We need it. Okay? And the last part that we're not going to cover in cornstarch. There we go. It looks all the same, but that's okay. We have 3 chocolate edible marshmallow Nutella patties. Now we're gonna try it. I don't want too much chocolate, so I'm gonna take a piece out and just try it. Try it. Not bad. So it tastes interesting. Of course it tastes like Nutella and marshmallows, but in a way it tastes like brownies for some reason. It's good, but like out of all flavors, brownies, but it kind of does look like brownies, but it's really good. And I think you should try it out at home if you like Nutella and marshmallows. But yeah, that's all for this video that I hope you enjoyed. And make sure you follow me on my Instagram at color.me.angel and subscribe to my channel, please. And give this video a big thumbs up. And always stay tuned for more videos that I post every single week. But love you guys so much. Bye bye, beautiful angels. Peace out.